People are a little bit surprised when they see how small anti-personnel mines are. This particular one is one of the smallest but one of the most commonly found landmines. It's made of plastic, there's only a very small amount of metal in it, and that makes it very hard to find. The explosive charge in this is sufficient to remove a limb from an adult, but unfortunately is more likely to kill a child if a child treads on it. This is also a similar kind of anti-personnel mine. Again, the charge would remove a limb. These other items, this is a cluster munition bomblet. There are often between 60 and 80 of these in a canister that's dropped, and the charge in this is sufficient to cause a lot of damage, and this will kill people more often than injure them. When these get dropped and they don't function, as they have done in places like Vietnam and Laos, Lebanon, you get 60 to 80 of these scattered over a wide area. And this one's, as you may be able to see, is blue, but shortly after they've been in the ground, they basically become camouflaged. Now, the good thing about them in terms of detection is they're a big bit of metal, so we can find these, but they're more dangerous to clear, and they have to be taken with some caution. The problem that the communities have is that they come across these quite often, and they'll pick them up and move them so that people don't get injured. And some of them could be just on the edge of initiation. They go off, and that's where people have the really serious injuries. So, but I think you can see from these that none of the items are huge, and this is why, it's partly why the challenge of finding them is so great, especially when they've been in the ground for 20 or 30 years.